Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to factory reset or how to reset the PS4 console or PS4 Pro or PS4 SLIM. So for that, right, you need to go to settings, go to settings, under settings, right, click settings and come for system, initialization. So you need to come here. So here you need to tick that. You can see this initialize PS4 restore default settings. So I'm gonna choose this initialize PS4. So I'm gonna completely reset it, quickly delete data from system storage and initialize the PS4, because if you want to set it you can do this, and I have already taken the backup, so I'm gonna do this now with full completely delete data from storage, system storage and initialize the PS4. This method takes several levels, so just gonna do this. All users data will be deleted. Yes. If you initialize the PS4, all users and data will be deleted. Just read this warning information, and if you're working, I'm gonna do yes. I'm gonna do yes. That's it. Now your PS4 will be restarting several times for factory reset. That's it. So mine is blinking and I think it started again, initializing the PS4 console. So it may take 4 hours, so leave it for some time. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my videos. Thank you. Bye.